what are we making today?
Pancakes.
So today, we're gonna make pancakes from scratch. Alright, first thing we need is flour, okay? Here, girls, can you tell me what's on here and tell me what we need, okay?
We need eggs.
Eggs? Okay, good job. We do need eggs, but first we got the flour. Okay, so we need eggs next.
We need eggs.
Who's gonna break the eggs?
I will.
Okay.
I will.
But don't do it yet, okay? What else do we need? Do we need sugar?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get sugar. So next we need baking soda and baking powder. Do we need some milk?
Yeah, milk.
We got the vanilla. What else do we need on there? There's a salt. 2 eggs, okay? Put 2 eggs in there.
1, 2.
Yeah, 1, 2. Good job. Hey, do you want to do the vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to hold it right here.
Yep.
Okay, pull it in. Put it in. And then you pour it in there. Good. There you go. Alright, now we need some
Salt.
milk.
Milk. I will take the milk.
Yeah, you guys are both going to do some milk, okay?
Yeah, me too.
You're going to do milk too? Here, hold this.
Thank you.
Here, hold this. Okay, pour it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, in here. Good. Okay, you do it. We need 2 of these. See if we have enough. Might not have enough. Okay, put it in there. Good.
Got it. Wait. Hey! Wait. And then push you.
There you go. Pour it in. Good. Alright, pour it in. Over there. Alright. Good. All of it. Pour it all out. Good job. Hey, don't touch it. Just pour it in.
No, I can't do it. We both.
So now we need to do the sugar. 3 tablespoons of sugar.
I love it.
Good. No. She gets to mix the dry ingredients, okay? Hey, now we gotta do baking powder. Go ahead, put it in there. Good job. Mix it, Bella.
How about me?
Well, then you have to switch. Do you want to switch? Do you want to mix this and you want to do this? Which one?
Okay.
Alright, so now we're gonna switch. Say baking soda.
We take sugar.
Don't swallow it. You definitely don't want to get that in your nose. Go on. Good job. Who's gonna do the salt?
Me.
You're gonna do the salt?
Yeah, I can do that too. Me too.
Okay, go ahead. Good job.
Wow. That's your toy, yeah. Is that?
3 tablespoons of butter. Daddy melted some butter. Okay, that seems like 3 tablespoons of butter. Go ahead, you gotta mix it. No, mix the mixture. There you go. You do this so that it's nice and smooth, okay? Tip this up. There you go, good job. You guys are such good helpers, you know that? Alright, Daddy's gotta do the mixing because we can't overmix. It's really important with pancakes that you do not overmix.
Yeah. Oh,
Say
no.
undermix.
I don't.
That's right. So with pancakes, you have to let it sit for a while, okay?
For 2 minutes.
For 2 minutes? No, actually for 20 minutes. So let's go turn on a show and we'll let this sit. You understand? Alright, time to clean up. Who wants to help me clean?
No.
You're gonna help me clean? Okay, here. Clean up all the flour, please.
Daddy.
You ready to make some pancakes? Alright. Hutch up, baby.
Daddy.
Hey, be careful. This is gonna be hot, okay?
But these 2 is fun. I want you want an animal. I want animal.
Want an animal?
Yeah.
What do you mean an animal?
You want to do it?
I will do this. Oh! That one's Bella's and that one's yours. Yeah, one at a time first. Good girl. Be careful with that.
Daddy. So who are these?
Pancakes for
Yeah.
breakfast. Classic.
Yeah, Daddy. You're the one.
I rarely do this, but today we're gonna be making spam for the protein. Spam and eggs, that's right. What I do here is put the spam down first. Then after that I'll put the eggs. Boom. Smell the spam? A little butter on there. A little bit. Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah, it's really good.
Mommy, we need a pancake.
There you go. Good job, baby.